What's up, guys? Clayford08 here, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about a couple of things. Now, I know today is usually Pimp My Portfolio, but I haven't had enough time this week to properly set up for that. Um, so I will have to do two next week. Now, if you would like to send in your portfolio for me to have a look at, feel free to do so on Discord. The the Discord link is in almost every single one of my videos. So if I don't have, I think I'll have my Discord link in this description below. But um, any of my other videos would have it as well. So yeah, if you want to send in your portfolio for me to take a look at and show on Pimp My Portfolio, feel free to do so. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about a couple of things though that I read. First, Bitfinex is issuing out Bitcoin Cash coins, but at a less rate than a one for one. And the reason for that is because of all the margin traders that they have on their exchange. They actually didn't have enough coins for a 1-to-1 ratio because of all of the short sellers. And so they had to divvy up equally, and that rounded out to about zero point 0.8, I believe is what it was. So that's pretty funny there. Also, with Bitfinex, they announced that they're planning on opening a new domain called Ethfinex. And essentially, on Ethfinex, it will be a ERC20 token exchange, and they're going to open it up for developers to come in and discuss their projects and um, build on research and things like that, so that anybody in the public can come and take a look at these projects that are utilizing ERC20 tokens to raise funds for their projects and learn a little bit more about them. And they want to make this a little bit more decentralized so that anybody can come in and share peer to peer, and I think that's really great of them. When a centralized exchange comes in and says, "I want to make this more decentralized," they're aiming to prove that they really want to be in this space, because at the end of the day, that's what we all want. That's what everybody that believes in blockchain technology really wants. They want decentralization. So it'll be interesting to see how they implement that on their new exchange, and how they plan to move forward with those plans. Um, so I'm going to be looking out for that. That looks like a really cool idea. Also, today, I believe somebody filed for a lawsuit against Coinbase. For those of you that don't know, Coinbase specifically came out ahead of time and said we will not be issuing Bitcoin Cash coins to anybody. So if you want to pull your money off of the exchange now, feel free to do so, but we will not be issuing those to anybody. And I felt like that was a fair upfront assessment, telling everybody like, hey, we're not going to be issuing these to everybody, so pull off your money. It was in the news. They sent out emails to all of their customers. So I felt like they did a really good job of telling people that they weren't going to issue those out. But a lot of people are still outraged. And I don't really get it. I mean, for me, I pulled all of my money off of Coinbase, and I knew that they weren't going to be doing that. They were very clear about that. And so people that didn't heed that warning and are now demanding their Bitcoin Cash, it just doesn't make any sense to me. Like, why didn't you take the 30 seconds to send that to another wallet that you had the private keys to? Just doesn't make sense. And if they get sued and they lose a lot of money in this lawsuit and they go bankrupt, that's the largest Bitcoin exchange in the world. Like, what is that going to do to the market, That could really bring the market down because people are idiots and didn't pull off their money. I don't think that's Coinbase's fault. I think that's the user's fault. Um, but I mean, that's the world that we live in now. People are idiots. So a few people make a mistake and everybody has to wear diapers, right? Um, but yeah, that's really what I wanted to discuss today. I plan on doing my podcast on Friday, my live podcast. So if you guys want to join in on that, feel free to join the Discord server. We would love more voice talkers, and looking forward to that. Let's continue to see the market and how it moves with this new Bitcoin Cash on the market. It's some really exciting times, you know. We thought that the market was going to really suffer, especially like the Bitcoin market, and we haven't really seen that yet. So I'm going to continue watching this on a daily basis, and I'll continue updating you guys on my videos. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Clayford08 out.